Good evening, everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Nelia Chrissy. Nakikita niyo ba? Can you see this, guys? Tonight, we're going to make a spicy or Thai bihun salad. Okay? Our bihun like this. So first, we have to slice all these herbs. I have here mint, basil leaves, the big ones. And then meron din tayong the small ones, basil leaves. This we have to slice this. And this one do need to slice. And I have here paprika. And I have here celery. And my Asian shallots and garlic and chili. Tomatoes and the bihun. Tapos, we're going to fry tofu to eat together with the salad. First, I'm going to blanch the bihun. While waiting for this to boil, I'm going to clean all herbs. I'm going to slice my herbs for my salad. That's like the basil. These big basils need to be sliced thin. Not really thinly. Put inside here in a bowl. Tapos, the celery, roughly sliced too. Here in a bowl. I'm going to use the leaves only. Roughly slice. And then we have to take off the leaves of the mint. Just like this. Okay. Friends, I'm going to put here all my chili, Asian shallots, and my garlic. I'm going to chop them very thin. It is, friends. I'm going to put this back here in the bowl and add fish sauce later. Here it is, guys. I'm going to add my fish sauce into the chili mixture. About half cup of fish sauce and lemon juice. Add about half tablespoon of brown sugar or 1 teaspoonful. Mix. You can taste before adding this sauce into the salad. Now I'm going to mix everything. My other vegetables. The tomato, carrots, cucumber, and paprika, bihun, and shrimps. You can use the white, very white bihun or the very thin, but I prepare the corn bihun. Mix properly first before adding the juice or the sauce. The fish sauce mixture. You can put a lot of bihun if you like to, but I prefer a lot of vegetables or herbs. Then the bihun. Now add the juice now. Not enough brown sugar. Add the fried tofu. You can add them all. And the salad is ready. Taste test time. Tingnan natin kung mayroon juice. Ayun na yung juice on the bottom.